change. 'Cause when the pain is gone,
We have such sights to show you.
Hey everybody, welcome to the show today. I'm the drunk kitten Tribbles. Hey, please hit like and subscribe if you like what we do here, and I hope you brought some beers.
Hi everybody, welcome to Ultimate Radio Show right here on YouTube. I'm the High Command and I'm here today with the Drunk Kitten. Drunk Kitten? Drunk Kitten!
Down with tyrants, down with kitten haters. Hey boss, it's that Willie again. He won't give us kittens any beers. We're being oppressed.
Alright Kitten, what did Willie do now? Did he hide his beers so good that you couldn't find them?
He took all his beers and went down to the lake. But before he left, he mentioned something about catfish bait and tried to catch us kittens.
Well, I wouldn't worry about it, Kitten. You know he can't come here, so...
Yeah, boss. We have friends, too. We talked to our friend down at the lake, and he's gonna be on the lookout for that Willie. But us kittens need our freedom. We need the soul of freedom.
All right, Kitten. I think our friend Joseph Wooten can help you out with that from his 2013 album, Soul of Freedom. Here we go.
Today's the day, and now's the time. Everybody's searching for a hero, someone that they can trust. I've got news for you, that the hero is us. I can feel the soul of freedom moving all over the world on an eagle's wings, on these guitar strings. Let the revolution be spread by the winds of change. 'Cause when the pain is gone, only love remains. Everybody's marching to a different drum. They call me walking, and there's no need to run, because the clouds are parting so that you can see the sun. I feel the doubt departing, and the work's begun, 'cause I can feel the soul of freedom moving all over the world on an eagle's wings, on these guitar strings. Let the revolution be spread by the winds of change. 'Cause when the pain is gone, only love remains. Only love remains. Love remains. I can feel the soul of freedom.
All right, good place to get a little break in here. I met Joseph years and years ago through my friend Rick Olson. Rick was the lead guitar player for the 80s band Berlin, and in the 70s he was my old shark fishing buddy. But I think Kitten's going to give us a little bit of history on the Wooten brothers.
All right, boss. Yeah, there's a lot to unpack here. Joseph and his brothers all started in music at a very young age, and they do have a family band along with other side projects. I believe his brother Victor on bass and his brother Roy on drums both play with Bella Fleck and the Flecktones and have won 5 Grammy Awards.
You know what else is really cool, Kitten? You know, Joseph has played with the Steve Miller Band since 1993. That is a heck of a track record.
Joseph also has production credits for at least 35 albums, and he's very big into charity work.
Yeah, I've known Joseph for years now, and I've talked to him several times, both online and on the phone. just the nicest guy in the world, you'd ever want to talk to. And he is a member over on Ultimate Radio Show. And he's a member of our channel right here on YouTube. So, hey, if you see him over there, give him a holler. Hey, just a quick stop. Guitar there, Paul 10-Finger Allen. The guy is just a master craftsman on guitar.
I got the soul in my face and the wind in my back. I got hope for the future, and as a matter of fact, every man and woman, every boy and girl, and when we change ourselves, and then we change the world. And when we change ourselves, and then we change the world. And when we change ourselves, and then we change the world. Yeah, yeah. I can feel the soul of freedom moving all over the world on the eagle's wings, on these guitar strings. Let the revolution be spread by the winds of change. 'Cause when the pain is gone, only love remains. Love, love, love.
All right, what a great song. What a great talent, Just so upbeat, so uplifting. Every time you talk to him, it's, with him, it's everything is good. And, he's just a great guy.
Right on, boss. I'm sure he supports freedom for everybody, including us kittens from Willie's tyranny. But hey, we need to get out of here. It's almost time to go find a beer and maybe even jump in the pool. Catch you later, folks.
All right, folks. Be sure to check us out over on Facebook on Ultimate Radio Show. We do live shows using vids every night between 4 and 5 p.m. Pacific time. And also, keep an eye here on the channel. I try to post one video a day at least, and who knows what it's going to be. It could be anything from jazz to country, oldies, or heavy metal. Who knows? We'll see you next time.